I'm in my place. I'm so grateful and blessed to be in here, but now I just have to clean. I've already prayed, anointed, did all that good stuff, so now it's time to clean. First of all, this place is mostly hardwood floors. I need to clean these first. Since I knew that I was going to live somewhere that had mostly hardwood floors, my major concern was making sure that I got a product that would clean those really good. I ended up getting this little wet dry vac. So that's what I'm gonna use to clean the floors. But I'm gonna go ahead and remake this water just because it's been sitting for like 6 days. Those smell so good. So I was able to get everything done except for that corner over there. It ran out of water, so I'm gonna go ahead and refill. This is why you have to redo the floors when you first move in. This is what you're gonna be walking all on. And then we're gonna self-clean this. So, I have to clean this again because this needs to clean itself. And let it do its thing. Alright, and then we're gonna go ahead and remove roller. And so now that's all clean. Look how dirty that is still. I'm gonna clean that up. This was after cleaning the roller. I'm not like a chemical mixer. I'm really just into making sure I sanitize, have something that smells good, and cleans. pods. So I took a little snack break. I'm gonna eat my Chick-fil-A and then come back and start on the fridge. Also, the mic is off, so that's why it sounds a little bit different. And then I also just filmed a little matcha video. All right, you guys, so break is over with. I'm going to start on the refrigerator. I still have that water that I made earlier, so I'm just gonna use that to clean. I might freshen it up a little bit, but I'm gonna do the fridge. By the way, I already emptied the ice maker and did all of that too, day one, so ice is fresh. Kitchen is finally clean. I have another load going in the dishwasher. Sink is clear. And then I just have some stuff up here for now. I know this is supposed to go in there. I just haven't transferred it over yet. And then I want to get a paper towel holder and like put it under one of these cabinets somewhere instead of it being right here. So that's with the lights on. And then this is with the little under lights on. That's probably one of my favorite parts about this kitchen is those little under lights. I know you could easily buy them, but the fact that they come with it, I love. I can't wait to like fully decorate in here though. But I'm not in a rush, taking my time. And that is it, guys. All that's left is the bathroom and my room, which my room isn't dirty at all. It just needs organizing. So probably Thursday is when I'll start organizing that. But I'm done for the day, y'all.